Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can manage registered device in WEBTOON. So guys, the first step is to open the WEBTOON app. Just click at the lower bar where you can see options like For You, Originals, Canvas, My and More. Tap on More and now tap on Settings. So once you're here, you just need to search for Manage Registered Device. So you can find it right above in Options right between Clear Cache and Display. Go ahead and tap here, and now I'm just showing you the devices where you're logged in. As you can see, I have only logged into one. So it says that you can only log into 5 devices, your monthly re-register account. So if you have more than one device, then you may need to register this device. But as you can see, I have only one, so I can't do it. But if you have it, then just select it and tap on register this device. And in this way, you will successfully be able to manage registered device. This video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.